love the 2018 Cherokee. The Jeep Cherokee offers superior off-road capability. This makes the Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, active grille shutters, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, speed control. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.